Introduction of input and output device. An input device sends information to a computer system for processing, and an output device reproduce or display the result of that processing. Input device only allow for input of data to a computer, and output device only receive the output of data from another device. Most devices are only input device, are input device as they can only accept data input from a user or output data generated by a computer. However, some devices can accept input and display output, and they are referred to as input output device. For example, as shown in top half of the image, a keyboard sends electrical signal which are received as input. Those signals are then interpreted by the computer and displayed or output on the monitor as text or image. The computer sends or outputs data to printer. Then that data is printed onto a piece of paper, which is also considered output. Input devices. An input devices can send data to another devices, but it cannot receive data from another device. Example of the input device include the following: keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball, touchscreen, touchpad, microphone, scanner, barcode reader, light pen. Processing device. In a computer, the center of the activity, the processor, as we noted, is also called the central processing unit. CPU. Central processing unit consists of electronic circuit that interpret and execute program instruction as well as communicate with the input and output and storage device. In computing, a process is the instance of a computer program that is being executed by one or many threads. It contains the program code and its activity. While a computer program is a passive collection of instructions, a process is the actualizations of those instructions. While a computer program is passive collection of instruction, a process is the actual execution of those instruction. Severely processes may be associated with the same program. For example, opening up severely intention of the same program often result is more than one processor being executed. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. In computing, an arithmetic logic unit is a combinational digit circuit that perform arithmetic and bitwise operation on integer binary number. This is in contrast to a floating point unit FPUs, which operates on floating points numbers. It is a fundamental building block of many types of computing circuits, including the central processing unit CPU of computer FPUs and graphic processing unit GPUs. The input to an ALU are the data to be operated on called code indicating the operation to be performed. The ALU's output in the result of the performed operation. In many designs, the ALU also has status input or output or both, which convey information about a previous operation or the central operation respectively between the ALU and external status register. CU. The control unit is a component of computer's central processing unit CPU that directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computer's memory, arithmetic and logic unit and input and output device how to respond to the instruction that have been sent to the processor. MU. MU stand for memory unit, store data and information temporarily. MU is secondary memory of a computer, tips and tracks. Output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. It can be text, graphic, graphical, audio and video. Some of the output devices are visual display unit VDU, monitor, printer, speaker, graphic and plotter, etc. Okay, I read the chapter from the book, lesson number 3, input and output device, page number 18. As we have studied, a computer follows the basic rules of input, processing, output. It does the work by using some devices. These are input device, processing device and output device. So let us study about these devices in detail. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data and instruction into a computer are called the input devices. Some of the common input devices are as follows. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It has number keys, special character keys, alphabet keys, function keys, etc. As you press a key on the keyboard, you can see that character appear on monitor screen. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device used to select objects or text and to draw picture on the computer. Mouse is moved over a flat surface, usually a mouse pad. While you work on the computer, the cursor on the screen follows the movement of the mouse. It can clicked on double clicked to perform various activities. Joystick. The joystick is a pointing device. It is mainly used to play games on a computer. The joystick consists of a stick that can be rotated in different direction to control the movement of the objects on the computer screen. Trackball. A trackball looks like an upside up down mouse. The trackball remains stationary. It has a ball that is rotated to move the cursor on the screen. The ball can be rotated by hand in any direction. Touch screen. Touch screen allows the user to enter input by simply touching the display screen. It records the input when a finger comes in a contact with the screen. Here your finger acts as the pointing device. Touch screen are used in mobile phone and ATM. Touchpad. A touchpad is commonly used in laptop. You can move the cursor on the screen by just moving your finger on a touchpad. Microphone. A microphone is used to input and recorded voice into the computer. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which reads and scans the text and picture given on a paper into computer understandable text and pictures. These convert text and pictures can be storage in your computer for later use. You can also email the scan text to anyone. It saves your time and makes your text easy. There are two types of scanner: flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is used to read barcodes printed on items in a shop meant for sale. A barcode is a sequence of blank line on a white background. It has a number written on it. A barcode reader is used in libraries, supermarkets, etc. to distinguish the items being scanned and to make appropriate entries in the stock records, as well as raise a bill in required. Light pen. A light pen is a pen shaped pointed device. It is connected to the monitor. Light pen are used to draw picture on the screen. You can also select objects on the screen by pointing at them with pen. It is mostly used by engineer and designer. Processing device. The processing device unit of a computer is known as Central Processing Unit (CPU). The CPU does collection and carries out many other functions. It is known as the brain of the computer. CPU has three parts: ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It does all the collections like addition, subtraction, etc. CU, control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. MU, memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Output devices. The output devices show the result of the work done by the computer. Some of the common output devices are also follow. Monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device. It displays both text and picture. Monitor is also known as the Visual Display Unit (VDU). LCD monitor and plasma monitor are used nowadays. Printer. A printer provides information on the paper that we introduce. The printed copy of the output from the printer is known as the hard copy. Hard copy has data and pictures or even figure on it. Speakers. Speaker allows you to hear sound from the computer. Storage devices. These devices are needed to store data and information. Such devices are as follows: hard drive, RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, floppy disk, memory card, pen drive, tape. Hard disk. It stores all the data of the computer system. Hard disk is present inside the CPU box. Compact disk. It stores large amount of data. It is a portable device, easy to carry. It is also known as CD. Pen drive. It is a small portable device that stores a very large amount of data. It works faster than other storage device. A computer has number of points into which we can plug in various devices. These are called ports. A pen drive has to be plugged into the USB port of the computer. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of the input device and output device and processing. Okay, if you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, and some picture will come. You see what is the means of input device and output device and processing. These are examples pictures. Okay, Allah Hafiz, you, bye.